Students, in this video we will read the text from passage number 25. We will get the word meaning and the explanation of the passage. Let's start from passage number 25. All the while Mrs. Famfrey hovered. Here hovered means remained paused anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletin. Mrs. Famfrey actually made dozens call to know about the trick. I dodged the questions about whether his questions were being turned regularly or his carpet coat worn according to his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Here, Mrs. Famfrey made many calls to know about Tricky and to know whether his questions were being turned regularly or his correct course worn according to the weather, but the narrator always tried to avoid such questions. He also informed her only about that the Tricky was out of danger. Distant, now let's read the next passage. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Famfrey. She started bringing round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 dozens each for breakfast, but when the bottle of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situations began to dawn on the household. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before the several during the meal. Dear friends, when Mrs. Famfrey came to know that Tricky was recovering very fast, she started sending fresh eggs and bottles of wine to Tricky, which were used by the narrator. The lunch has become a ceremonial occasion for the narrator with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meals. Dear students, let's see the word meaning. However, remain paused uncertainly in one place or between two states. Dodge means avoided, convalescing, recover one's health and strength over a period of time after an illness or medical treatment. Now let's go to the explanation of these passages. As you know, Mrs. Famfrey was very worried about Tricky, so she used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. Mr. Harriot used to avoid questions about the courts, beds, etc. But he told her that Tricky was doing very good. He was recovering very fast. Mrs. Famfrey wanted Tricky to recover fast, so she started sending 2 dozens eggs every day for him, but Mr. Harriot and his partner would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Famfrey started sending the bottles of wine. Then it became Mr. Harriot's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and few along with it. Dear students, Mrs. Famprey started sending eggs and bottle of wines for Tricky, which were used by the narrator and his partner. Now here the passage 25 to 27. Let's read the passage first. Actually passage 28 to 32. Let's read the passage. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. There were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. But I knew Mrs. Famfrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. With minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drove outside the surgery. The sofa opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Famfrey, almost lost in interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, to tell me the truth, is he really better?" "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out for the car. I will go and fetch him." Dear students, it was a temptation to keep on as a permanent guest because the narrator was getting eggs, bottle of wines, and brandy. But he also knew that Miss Famfrey was suffering, and that is why, after a fortnight, he made a phone call to Famfrey and asked her to collect the dog. Just within minutes, a 30 feet of gleaming black metal car was